What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video we are going to talk about internet marketing for beginners. To be more specific, I'm going to share with you at least 5 if not more tips and insights that every beginner needs to know about internet marketing. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about internet marketing, make money online, productivity tips, work from home, and a lot more. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to share with you here at least 5, if not more, tips and insights regarding internet marketing, especially if you are a beginner and you need to know this if you are getting started with internet marketing. So without further ado, let's dive into this straight away. Alright guys, so first thing is that we need to know about the niche that we are going to get involved in. Now, I don't know what niche you're going to focus on. You need, of course, to know the niche there. You need to narrow it down to be more specific. Actually, this is very, very important. You just can't say that I'm going to focus on weight loss. This is, for example, a keyword. If you type it in Google or YouTube, it is too broad. Okay, so we need to be more specific. We need to focus and narrow it down. I mean, it could be, for example, weight loss for those who are over 40 or whatever it's going to be. I think you get the point there. Or for example, if you take the make money online, you just can't say make money. Okay, you need to be more specific. Make money with this method and etc. I think you get the point there. All right. So it is super important to learn as much as you can about your ideal customer also, or the one that you're going to target with your niche. That is very, very important to have a picture there on how you can actually target this kind of customers. So you need also to learn, of course, about your competition. The more the better, actually, to be completely honest, and you want to learn of what they have succeeded with so far, because you're going to model that. So model it with your twist. So I don't mean that you should copy exactly what your competitor is doing, but model it with your twist. Look at what he has done, your competitor, how he has succeeded with it, why he has succeeded, and try to implement it in your mix there. All right, so this is also very, very important to keep in mind. Now, you should promote yourself or promote a brand. And this is something that a lot of people are actually, some people say that you should only focus on yourself. Other people say that you should focus on your brand. In my opinion, you should focus on what matters. And in my opinion, both matters. All right, so keep that in mind. But of course, if you are getting started and you want to build a brand there, you should definitely prioritize it. But don't forget that it is also very important to promote yourself as well. The next thing is that you need to choose what service or method you want to focus on. And what I mean by that is that, for example, you want to build an e-commerce store, promote that and do the internet marketing. It could be that you have your own products that you want to sell, or it could actually be one of my favorite methods to get started with as a beginner, that you want to focus on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product and you get a commission. It works really simple. You grab a link on something that you want to promote, and all you have to do is find people who want and are interested in that product, send that link, and you get a commission every time they buy and you make a sale of that product. Now, why I love this method is because you don't have to hassle with shipping or anything like that. You just find the right customer who wants to buy that product that you're going to promote. So that is why I like affiliate marketing, and it is also one of my favorite methods there. Okay, the next thing is email marketing. In my opinion, this is something that should be implemented in any kind of a business, both on and offline. Now, I learned this the hard way because email marketing is something that you're in control in your list, as long as you back it up, of course. If you don't back it up, okay, then you might lose your subscribers there. But email marketing 110% is much better than just focus on social media or on some other platforms that you are not in control in. Quick example, I shared this many times in the past. I started out with Facebook, I did a fan page, I spent thousands of dollars, countless hours, and I just woke up one day and it was gone. Never knew what happened, why, and so on, but I just realized that email marketing was the number one priority for me after that. And that is why also you probably have heard the phrase, the money's in the list there. So this should be the number one priority. And how you do that is you're going to build a landing page, a capture page. There is different versions of it, a lot of different versions on how you can do it. You can have a form, an opt-in form in your blog, for example. And how you do that is you're going to create something like a free report or a video with value in this in exchange for the email address. So you're going to give something away for free. I talked about it in some other videos, how you can do that. This is super easy. Even if you don't have any idea, you can actually, if you know your niche there, you can find ready-made PLR products, which stands for private label rights. And you can just start to rewrite those a little bit, make them unique, and give that away for free. So there is definitely something that you can find out, so you can actually start to get your email addresses. And of course you need an autoresponder. I talked about this in the past also. Aweber is my number one recommendation to have this automated. Okay, so you just don't sit behind the computer 24/7, so every time someone opts in that you're going to send them that. Okay, you need to have an autoresponder to have everything in place, and of course you're going to have an email sequence also with follow-up emails. This is also super important. So this, if anything at all, is definitely the most important in my opinion. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next thing, and that is of course traffic. We need to find out what kind of traffic we are going to focus on. And it can be free organic traffic. You need to focus on SEO, search engine optimization. You could do that with content writing, blogs, for example. You can write articles on other people's blogs. There are so many ways here, too much to cover in just this video alone here. TikTok is very hot right now. One other free way that you can get started to actually drive traffic. You can see here real quick, this is my TikTok account. I just posted a video a day here more or less, and I already have 1,575 followers. And look at this, for example, this video got viral, 15,000 views, and it is less than 4 or 5 days since I posted it. So this is insane. It's really one of the hottest topics right now that you can get started with to drive traffic actually. And it goes for any niche in my opinion at all. All right. Okay, the next thing we have is paid traffic. It could be Google ads, for example, Bing ads, Facebook ads, there is Instagram. And of course, finally, for make money online niche, there is also solo ads. Solo ads is that a lot of solo ad, so-called vendors, I'm still involved in solo ad traffic. They have huge email lists and they are promoting your landing page there. Okay, so they're sending traffic to your landing page. People are opting in, and of course, hopefully they're going to buy. If they don't buy right away something, they're going to buy in the follow-up sequence. So that is why it's so important to have a follow-up sequence in place in your autoresponder there. Finally, one very important tip is that you need to educate yourself every single day. What do I mean by that? Well, things are changing every single day. I mean, if we go back a year ago, people didn't talk about TikTok as much as they do today, okay? You can see that this is a hot topic right now. 5 years ago, it could be, for example, Instagram when they got started, 7 years or whatever it was when it was super hot. So, I mean, things change every single day. And that is why it's so important. You need to educate yourself every single day. And most importantly, implement. Okay? Keep also in mind, everything is a test. You need to test. Don't listen to anyone. If you think that something is right, test it out. That is what you need to do with whatever it's going to be. So there you have it, about 5+ tips that every beginner needs to know regarding internet marketing. Of course, all these tips can be implemented in no matter what niche, well, if it is on or offline business you're involved in. So I hope that you got some value here, and if you did, please make sure that you hit that like button below. If you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I have my #1 recommendation also right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at as soon as we finished here. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also, and you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.